What's the word? What's the word? You already know the vibe, yo. We the fuck outside, yes, sir. Alright, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. You heard? I'm coming with bangers after bangers after bangers. And if you are subscribed, welcome back. You feel me? Welcome back. Welcome back. Love to see y'all come back. You heard? Keep watching the bangers. I'm just gonna be coming out with all these crazy bangers. But wait, for anyone who's new, anyone that doesn't know, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment. If y'all subscribe, like, and comment, y'all be entered into my giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway once I reach 500 subs. I'm gonna be giving away the Supreme hoodie, super tub. Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
You know the vibe.
We the fuck outside.
We outside.
Yes, sir. Alright, so if y'all notice, basically here they're like basically going up to everybody in their cars and they're letting them know like, hey, you know, like if you want to be in a gambling competition, you can stay, and if you don't want to compete, then you gotta get out the track. So you're gonna see people leaving the track, staying, and you know they're gonna like further explain on what's gonna happen for the actual competition. Alright, so for the competition, basically, they're going to have to start all the way down at the end where you see all the cars lined up. They're going to have to basically drift around the cones and then, like, I guess, whip that shit around. As y'all can see here, you got to whip it around and try to get as close as you can to the cones. They're going to measure it from the door handle to the cones, I guess you want to call them. I don't really know what you want to call them, but yeah, they're going to measure it from there. Whoever has the closest distance, I guess, wins the competition.
Alright, so your door handle realistically should be in line with this, right here. Well, he's telling me to move it. He's not the one that makes the rules, we are. Alright. 129 174 feet.
Second place.
108. 189.
Actually, not as bad as most. Getting up to
9,000. Ooh, that's a good one.
66.
Oh.
It's an experienced vet right here. 47. First place.
Woo!
58.
That's far, buddy.
He's over the line. Disqualified. No, you're good. We measure from here. 63. I call that a win. Woo! Redemption! 36! Woo! There's your winner!
Oh!
31!
Jeez.
That's like the same.
Tracks today.
It's an experienced bet right here. 47! I call that a win. Woo! Redemption! 36! Woo! There's your winner.
Oh!
31!
Jeez.
Guys, thank y'all for tuning in, you feel me? If y'all haven't subscribed yet, make sure y'all sub up. We on the road to 1K, you heard, let's go.